Welcome guys in this session. In this video we will discuss about the 5G enabling technologies. So what are the 5G enabling technologies? That type of technology that enable the 5G services to reduce the traffic in the communication way. So first one is the virtualization in the 5G. The virtualization is the 5G. In the 5G we use the new hardwares that optimizes for speeds as well as performance and capacities also increase in the 5G communication system. So in the virtualization it increase the speeds, increase the use the new hardwares, and also increase the capacity. Increase the additional hardwares like CPU, memory, storage, etc. And the core software or mobile core softwares are run on the proprietary hardware. So in the 5G mobiles, some hardware is changed, and you increase the memory storage and CPUs, processors, etc. in the 5G users mobiles. And here the use the customs operating system for that 5G devices to run the custom applications, and all the applications are run through the internet. That are all the applications are used to run from internet. No need to store that application in the 5G phones. And in one architecture, more number of the machines run in a single platform, so the capacity is increased. And if the one of the machine is in error in the same platform, then the workload of that error machine is hand over to the other machine in the same platform. This is the main advantage of this 5G. And here, as in the figure virtualization in the 5G, here these are the machine custom 1, machine 2, machine 3, machine this is machine 4. These 4 machines are all are in a single platform in of 5G, and use the microservices for different machines, different services from the 5G data network. And this is the hardware procedure that is called as hypervisor, and this is the control management layer, control all the system of these machines, and use the custom hardwares for the 5G devices, and custom operating system for that. And if while operating error in one of the machine, and the workload for this particular machine hand over to the other machines, and our work is continuous. This is the main system of the virtualization in the 5G. And the next one is the containers in the 5G. Some containers are used for 5G to reduce the traffic and improve the services. Here in the 5 containers in the 5G is the same as the virtualization management, but use the small microservices. Big services is reduced by the small services, and small services for different users. In the virtualization machine use the full version of operating system, but in the containers use the some part of the less part of the operating system for operating the work, and reduce the workload in the containers. A big work is reduced by the small parts, and small services are used to handle that particular work. And this is broken into microservices to make flexible of the network. All the services are broken into microservices and to make the flexible of the network. And next one is the every small service is dedicated to their own small cloud. Every small service for the system dedicated to their small cloud. A big cloud is also separated in the small parts. So the next one is the microservices. What are the microservices? Microservices are the services that are used to operate the work in the containers. In every element in 5G used for different services. every element in the container in the 5G system used for different services. In the 4G, one element provide the different. In the 4G, not use the containers, only one element, and that is used to provide the different services. But in the 5G, use the different element for providing the different services. This is come in the form of flexible network in the 5G communication system. So the next part of this is, as you can see in this figure below. Here, this is the 4G services, 4G type, 4G based services platform, and this is the 5G based. This is the this one is the 5G based, and this one is the 4G based services in single platform. Here, this is type of a monolithic architecture. Here there are the five services, and these all services are operated in the single time by a single platform in the 4G communication system. But in the 5G system, here the different there are the total 5 services: S1, S2, S3, S4, and S5, and every service is connected with this cloud. This is the cloud, and connected with cloud, small part of cloud. A big cloud is separated in the small parts, and every service is dedicated to their own cloud, and connected via API interface, access point interface, for accessing the service from the base station. So these are different microservices service type architecture, and this is the monolithic architecture. There are no used microservices, only single service, and that is dedicated to the different services, and there are the microservices in the 5G system. This is the difference between the 4G and 5G services. And next one is the automation in the 5G. Some automatic here the automatic work done by the machines in the 5G communication system. That is the self-optimized networks, network upgrades, improve the cell setup, use the more complex access point interfaces, and to make the automation in the 5G. As an example, self-optimized networks, some as in the smart buildings, whenever there is for smart rooms, whenever there is a temperature is high, then automatically cooling the cooling room system, automatic lifting system. These are things self-optimized, and whenever there is a problem in between the system, it detects automatically detect that particular problem in the system. That is self-optimized network. And network upgrades, some time upgrade the network in the 5G comparison with the 4G. In the network upgrades, and improve the call setup. In the 5G, the call setup paging system is improved as compared to the 4G. Use the more complex number of the access point interfaces to make an automation in the 5G system. So thank you guys. If you really learn something from this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.